How to make video with pictures and music on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Now you can easily swipe from the left to the right to access your camera page. Once you reach here, you can easily capture a video or you can upload from your gallery. You can easily adjust the video. Once done, tap on the sticker icon at top left corner of your screen. Afterwards, you can easily tap on photo and choose a photo. You can tap on your photo several times and change the shape and place it any way you'd like to. Similarly, you can add multiple photos of your choice. Once done, you need to navigate to the music icon at top right corner of your screen and browse any music of your choice. Then you can easily choose the music font or the lyrics font as well and choose the style of it. Tap down at top right corner and you can place it anywhere of your choice. Once done, you can add to your story or simply you can navigate to the three dots at top right and save this video to your gallery. So in this way, you can successfully make video with pictures and music on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.